All right, here we are at the Fort Mose for the Sunday bird walk, and it's a little bit chilly this morning. We've already seen some birds, and we're looking forward to seeing quite a few more. Every birder has a good pair of binoculars for spotting and identifying birds. If it's a cold morning, you'll also need a warm jacket and wool cap. Another important item is a bird field guide. We learned that making clapping sounds might attract clapper rails. Clap once more, see. What kind of birds are you trying to attract?
Here, let me show you a picture so you'll know if you see them.
All right. If you're lucky, you might be able to get close to a bird. However, you know that at some point they will fly away. Fort Mose is a beautiful area which you can enjoy for bird watching or learning about the fascinating history of the first free black community in what is now the United States.